Hey there, future programmers! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Python. Python is like a friendly, helpful robot that follows your instructions. It can do math, remember things, and even help you create games. In this guide, we'll learn how to check if Python is already on your computer. If not, no worries, we'll install it together. Then, we'll write our very first Python program. Get ready for some serious fun. This is just the beginning of an amazing adventure. So, strap on your thinking caps and let's get started. Are you excited? I know I am. Before we install Python, let's see if it's already on your computer. It might be hiding in plain sight, just waiting to be discovered. If you're using Windows, click on the search bar at the bottom left of your screen and type CMD. This will help us open the command prompt. A black window will pop up. That's the command prompt. Don't be scared. It's a powerful tool that lets you communicate directly with your computer. Think of it as a way to have a conversation with your computer using text commands instead of clicking icons. If you're using a Mac or Linux, open up your terminal. This is the equivalent of the command prompt on Windows. It's like the command prompt, but with a cooler name and a sleek interface. You can usually find it by searching for Terminal in your Applications or Utilities folder. It's a handy tool for many tasks. Once you're in the command prompt or terminal, type Python or Python 3 and press Enter. This command will check if Python is installed on your system. If Python is already installed, it will tell you which version you have. You'll see something like Python 3.8.5 or another version number. If not, don't worry. We'll guide you through the installation process in the next section. It's straightforward and easy to follow. See? It's like being a detective. You're uncovering hidden tools on your computer that will help you on your coding journey. If Python isn't already on your computer, don't fret. It's super easy to install. Just follow these simple steps. First, open up your web browser and go to www.python.org. This is the official Python website. Click on the Downloads button. You'll see a big yellow button to download the latest version of Python. Click it. Once the download is finished, double-click the file to run the installer. Follow the instructions on the screen. It's like installing a game, but way more exciting. When the installation is complete, open up your command prompt or terminal again. Type and press Enter. You should see the version of Python you just installed. Congratulations! You're now a Python owner. Now it's time to write our first Python program. This is a significant milestone in your coding journey, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it a great choice for beginners. Open up a text editor, like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. You can also use any other text editor you prefer, such as Sublime Text or Visual Studio Code. Type the following line of code. Print Hello World. This line of code is a function call that tells Python to display the text Hello World on the screen. Save the file as helloworld.py. The .py extension indicates that this is a Python file. Make sure to save it in a place where you can easily find it, like your Documents folder. Organization is key when working with multiple files. Now, open up your command prompt or terminal. This is where you'll run your Python code. Use the cd command to navigate to the folder where you saved your helloworld.py file. For example, If you saved it in your Documents folder, you would type CD Documents. Once you're in the correct folder, type Python hello world.py and press Enter. If everything worked correctly, you should see Hello World printed on the screen. This means your Python environment is set up correctly and your code is running perfectly. Wow! You just wrote and executed your first Python program. Congratulations on taking your first step into the world of programming. Keep practicing and exploring new concepts. Section 5. Talking to Python directly, the interactive shell. Did you know that you can talk to Python directly? It's like having a conversation with a robot. Open up your command prompt or terminal. Type and press Enter. You'll see a message that says something like Python 3.11.4. Now you're in the Python interactive shell. You can type Python code directly into the shell, and it will execute immediately. For example, try typing and pressing Enter. You'll see Hello Shell printed on the screen. The interactive shell is a great way to experiment with Python code and see how it works. Try typing in different commands and see what happens. Section 6. The importance of being indentured. Indented. Indentation is super important in Python. It's like using paragraphs in an essay to separate your thoughts. In Python, indentation tells the computer which lines of code belong together. For example, look at the following code. If 5 is greater than 2, print 5 is greater than 2. Print. This line is not indented. The first statement is indented, so it only runs if the statement is true. The second statement is not indented, so it runs no matter what. More Pythonic adventures. I hope you had a blast learning the basics of Python. But don't stop now. There's a whole universe of Python knowledge out there waiting to be explored. In our next exciting adventure, we'll dive deeper into the world of Python programming. We'll learn about variables, data types, and how to control the flow of our programs. Get ready to level up your Python skills and unlock even more amazing possibilities. See you soon.